Hey, what's up everybody? It's the Epic Wolf here. And today I'm back with another prank. I'm pranking King Brad. So right here I have some focus soap. Okay, so he doesn't know, so this may look like normal soap. No, it's a bloody soap. So I'll be right back as soon as I hook up with King Brad. Okay guys, I've got King Bradley with me. Focus. Yeah. It may not focus because I just had some Slim Jims. So, here's some soap. There you go. Sorry for the packaging. It's a very fancy soap.
It's okay. I needed to wash my hands anyway. About to go out to eat.
Where are you going?
I don't know yet.
Okay. So, guys, got some stuff from the Five and Below store.
We'll be back when I open this package.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Make sure you get it clean, okay? Because you don't want to get germs and all that, okay? So we'll be back as soon as he gets soap all over his hands. The soap didn't work. Yeah. You had hot water. Idiot. Oh yeah, guys, I'm actually feeling better. So, Mountain Dew, please sponsor me.
There's like actual soap you can wash with though.
I think so, yeah.
It acts like soap. So wash your hands. It actually makes your hands feel good.
Good soap. I mean, what to do? We'll be right back. Guys, we're back. Oh, here comes his cousin.
Huh? No, don't go and meet me house. Taraji.
Taraji's her
No.
name. Interesting, guys. Take notes on that, because there may be a fan quiz. Okay. Guys, we'll be right back as soon as we think of something. Okay, guys, we're about to have a special guest on my channel. And no, it's not King Brad. It's not his little brother. It's not that cousin. So we'll be right back. And guys, here's our special guest. His name is James. Oh, okay. Guys, hold on. Serious moment right now. Guys, I want you to go over to my boy, King Bradley. Okay.
Stab myself.
And I want you to go. Dude, shut up. I want you to go hit that subscribe button. Then I want you to put post notifications on and then click on the Game of Life that he recorded 2 weeks ago, and he should record another video.
Well, my phone was having trouble and I couldn't type at the moment.
Oh yeah, guys,
I fixed that.
that's the problem. Oh, copyright him.
I can copyright you.
Hey, no, you're not coming up here. You're too little. I don't want you dying. I'm about to fucking rocket you.
No swearing on my channel.
Sorry. I didn't know that. What, you,
Okay, guys.
What?
Yeah, but it turned off.
What?
Yeah, but I paused
What?
it.
You're lucky I don't want to hit those little beaters.
Guys, I got a human shield.
Looks like a pepper. Very great. Ass!
That's recording.
Okay, guys,
Hey,
hold on. I'm gonna go get my bag of food. So, guys, there is tons of stuff in here. Okay, guys, Hey guys, so we
Oh, this is a dude.
we got these guys and me. are going.
Well, of course you're here.
Oh, guys.
Your video.
So we're gonna go explore something. So it's not just a prank; it's also an exploration video. Too bad the prank didn't work.
What?
Okay, guys. See them houses?
They can't come back here.
We're going back there. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys. So she's on his shoulders, and he's on King Bradley's. So we need to find a way to get over this. Let's go. I don't care. Come on, guys. Not that hard. Yeah, I just ran through there. Okay, nothing that good in here, guys. This stuff is very dangerous. Guys, we are professional idiots. Do not try this at home, okay? Wait, guys, was the door open? Was the door open before you guys came back?
I need your help. She's heavy.
Yo, guys, it's dark. Okay,
I'm not going in there.
That's completely
I'm about to kill you.
hey, remember?
Fell once I got in there.
Hey, guys, come on. Guys, I need to tell them something real quick. Okay, guys, we're at the mystical place. So, of course, hey, whoever goes in first is the most savage. Whoever goes in first is the most savage.
Me and Bradley need to go on at the same time.
Of course, I'm the most savage. I'm going in.
Fuck that. Never mind. Sorry. You can be the man up here.
There's a wasp.
Bro, what the fuck?
Okay, guys, there was a little bit of heritage,
Hey, nope. Go back.
but most savage. Okay, come on, James. I'll wait for them, so I'll be right back as soon as they come. Guys, it's official. King Brad is not savage.
I'm more savage than he'll ever be.
Not savage, guys. I actually walked in here. They didn't even come in. All they've been is right there. I'm actually in the place, guys. Like, there's a wasp nest. I don't really care.
I'm not taking it home.
Okay, guys, we'll be right back. Okay, guys, me and King Brad are gonna come back here separate and explore that house. Make a promise right now. Say, me, King Brad, will promise to bring the epic wolf and explore that house.
I promise to bring the epic wolf and explore that house
At night
at night.
and make an awesome YouTube video.
And make an awesome YouTube video.
Okay, so he promised. Okay, guys, so I will play back the video if he says, son, no, you have me messed up if you think I can promise that. Guys, let's just go out this way. There's an entrance.
Oh!
No, because they go like back there.
I don't care. Okay, guys, I'm out here. There's them. Come on, we need to meet them. Okay, guys. Sorry for the wind. But we need to beat them. Gonna use a shortcut. Okay, guys. We have beaten them. Okay, guys. So, I hope you guys liked this video. And
Remember to tell them to go to my channel.
yeah, go to this kid's channel. Hit that subscribe button. Hit them post notifications.
Yes, please.
Also before you do that, if you're new to me, I want you to do the same thing. Go and click on that red subscribe button. Hit them post notifications. Okay. Then leave a like and comment on the video. Okay, guys? That has been all from me. And I will see you guys there. Goodbye.